Greetings and welcome to the Heroic Platform series of video tutorials. Today we're going to learn about how to add and use images and icons from the media library. Over here to the left in the left nav panel, you can see the media section. We're going to click on that and it will bring up our media library. This represents all of the images and icons, in the case of the turtle and the fish, that we have added to our library from either our computer or a cloud server or the free online photography stock that you can get with your platform. It's included with every package, and it's almost limitless, the amount of stuff you can use. So anything that you've uploaded previously will be found in your media library here. Say I had a whole bunch of different images and icons in this section in my library, and I wanted to get one specific one without scrolling through pages and pages. What I can do is I can hit the search button up here on the right. The first option that comes up is my library, so I can enter a term, perhaps the color orange or red or bicycle. If I know exactly what image I'm looking for, that will help me pull it up, and then I can use that where I need to. Say I have a limited number of images and icons and I'd like to get some more, either because I have a specific design in mind or I'd like to have some options to work with. I'm going to click on the online square, and under search media, the best thing to do is to pick one word so that you get the widest range. I'll show you an example of a bad search: red fish. This is going to come up with the color red. A lot of red. A lot of red. I don't see a lot of fish. I don't even know if that's a fish. So I see the color red. And that's what it was focusing on. But say I really want fish. I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete the word red. And I'm going to search for fish. And so what's going to come up is a whole bunch of different images of fish and fishing and fishermen and weird clownfish. And look, it's a red fish. How perfect is that? Okay, so the other thing I'll show you is, so you have the search term fish. Say you want something that is more of an icon, like a black and white line drawing or an abstract or a representation of fish that's not an actual picture. You can just click on that icons button and it'll use the same search term and you'll get icons of fish. I am a fan of clownfish, so what I'm going to do is, in some future design, I will probably incorporate clownfish. So I'm going to click on this icon, and that's going to add it to my media library. Oh, I've already got one. So it'll add another one. You can do this with any image that you find in the online stock photography library or icon. Very handy, so it's always at your fingertips. You can do another search for fish and pull up anything that's related to fish that you have picked up. The other way to get media into your library is this little button with the cloud and an up arrow, which means you can guess. You can upload from somewhere, probably your computer if you have something stored. So you can do the typical click to upload a file, search through your computer for images that you may have somewhere. I don't seem to have a lot, but you can pick one and then open, and it will come up in your media library here. The other way you can do this is drag and drop. So I'm going to go to my file folder. I've got many, many, many images here. I'm going to go with, let's pick another bicycle. So click, drag, drop in there. Get rid of my file folder. It's a decently sized image, so it takes a little bit to render up. But once it does, there you go. You can see I'm a fan of bicycles and fish and turtles. So now you see this has been uploaded from my computer. It is available in my media library to add to any page that I want in my site while I'm building. So that is wrapping up how you add and find media to use on your sites.